Abdullah Aziz, and we'd like to have a few words from you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. May I request the BSA committee members to join me? Could you guys join me? The BSA committee members, please. I'm gonna take just a couple of minutes only. So Shobhan is here. Thank you. Do you have everybody? Or missing someone? So that's everybody. So first of all, thank you all for being here. Your participation means a lot to all of us, but more importantly, the organizers. I cannot even begin to say how much effort it takes to organize an event like this. So thank you so much from the bottom of our heart. Could you guys join me in congratulating all of them? Thank you so much. Thank you. And thank you all as well for, first of all, participating in this event and also, contributing your time and your efforts, your suggestions, and sometimes, your financial contributions as well. And we hope to continue organizing these type of events in the future as well. We hope to have you with us in the future. Thank you.
I'd like to call on stage our BSA President Shobhan Chaudhary, and we'd like to hear a few words from him as well.
Hello everyone. Can I speak in Bengali? Okay. The thing is that everyone doesn't know the behind the story of this event. So some people worked really hard. I would like to recognize them in this stage. I must need to mention some people's name who actually really worked hard. First of all, I would like to invite in this stage all of our musicians. So I will take their name one by one. So first of all, the most dedicated one who is actually doing music for this Bangladesh Student Association for what I know that for 5 years he is something else for me at least, really dedicated person for the music. And I never heard no from him, so it's no other than our Taskin Bhai. So Taskin Bhai, please. So a big round of applause for him. So I know that
it's a team effort actually. Shobhan has given a lot. He has been giving his, I think 29 hours of 24 hours in a day. I don't know how he could do that, but 2 a.m. in the morning, he texted me, "Bhai, ei ganta এইভাবে করতে হবে কিন্তু." And I was like, okay, I'll try. But yeah, Shobhan, give him a big round of applause, please.
Please stay here. I would like to take some picture with all of us. Next, I would like to invite one person who is also another dedicated person in Knoxville. He came here 2 years ago, but became our heart for everyone. So Nafis bhai, please come in this stage. So everyone should know this person who is actually inspired us for these types of event. And honestly, so please say something.
Hats off to the community here. Right? They organize such a great show here and organizing all the artists and dinner and everything. It's really a lot of work in the background. They really supportive, and I hope everyone in the Knoxville community to help the students do even better. We're so proud of them. We're so proud of them. Thank you very much.
Please stay here. Another person I would like to mention. So he came here probably like 3 months ago. Uh, he is a very good musician and really dedicated. It's none other our Tanvir Firdaus bhai. Please come here. I know like it's very difficult to give time with all of the job and everything, but he did it. So thank you, bhai. It's like very nice to work with you. Let's few words.
I'd like to thank Shobham for inviting me here and including or making me part of this program. And I'm really blessed to have so many talented musicians around me to perform along with them. And I should really appreciate the singers who we have performed with. I think they are very, very talented. Also, I would like to thank Shobham. He has been tolerating us for several weeks now and trying to fulfill our demands. So thank you for everything.
Thank you, bhai. The last person I would like to call here, who actually deserves a special recognition. I actually poked him a lot, in spite of his like a heavy academic pressure. He is none other our Omlan. Omlan, please. So I actually like always poked him to come and do something, but he also never said no to me. So please, just few words, just.
Well, thank you, Shobhanda. It's only been a year. I've been here and I've met such beautiful music enthusiasts here in Knoxville, and it's a pleasure to work with you guys and get into some music with you guys. Yeah, thank you so much.
Okay, so these are all musicians who work really hard, but there are some people who actually work in the backstage, who actually should be recognized. It's none other all of our committee members. They are like unbelievable supportive. So I would like to call all of our committee members again. It's really nice to get support from all of you guys. Please, I would like to take a picture with all of you. So please come in this stage. Okay. So I don't want to like talk more and more. So last, I would like to call all of our singers in the stage. Who actually also provided huge time. Their effort is like tremendous. So please, all of the singers here, please join here in the stage. I would like to take a group picture and then we'll move for the concert part. Romel Bhai from the Feedback will be here to do some good music. So we welcome him after that. Probably we are going to take some moments to set up the stage, like 10 minutes break, and then we'll start. So please, all singers come here. I would like to take a picture, and then we'll go for the concert session. Thank you, guys. Maliha, we need you here. And also thanks to Malia for being really supportive. Always I call him her for every time events coming up. So yeah, thank you so much, Malia.